Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you continuous function. This is my third lecture. I have taken already 2 classes in continuous function. So here, let us start the topic. Test the continuity of the function fx is equal to square bracket x. This is greatest integer function at x is equal to 3.3. In order to test the continuity of this function, we have to verify 3 properties of continuity. The first one is we have to test the function must be defined at x is equal to 3.3. Second condition, the left limit and the right limit of the function should be same. And in the third, we have to show the limiting value of the function equals to the functional value of the function. So let us start the solution. In order to test the continuity of fx at x is equal to 3.3, let us verify the following conditions of continuity. The first one is here to test the function must be defined at x is equal to 3.3. Here fx is equal to square bracket x. This is greatest integer function. So this implies f of 3.3 is equal to 3.3 greatest integer value is equals to 3. Because greatest integer function, it gives us the integer which should not exceed the independent variable x. So the function f of x is defined at x is equal to 3.3. The second condition now we have to verify. In this second condition, we have to separately compute the left limit and the right limit, and they must come out to be same. Now left hand limit is equal to limit extending to 3.3 minus fx, which is equals to limit extending to 3.3 minus square bracket x. So this will be 3. Because 3.3 minus means is a value which is slightly less than 3.3, and the greatest integer value of that function will be 3. Now right hand limit is equal to limit extending to 3.3 plus fx, which is equals to limit extending to 3.3 plus square bracket x. This is again equals to 3. So we get the left hand limit and the right hand limit of the function is equals to 3. So we can write limit extending to 3.3 f of x is equal to 3. The limiting value of the function is 3. Now the third condition. As here left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to 3. Here f of 3.3, the functional value is 3 and limit extending to 3.3 fx is also equal to 3. So limit extending to 3.3 f of x is equal to f of 3.3, which is equal to 3. So we get here in the third condition, functional value of the function, that is 3, which is also equals to the limiting value of the function. Hence the function is continuous at x is equal to 3.3. So the function is continuous at x is equal to 3.3. So here the question is to test the continuity of the function fx is equal to square bracketed x at x is equal to 3.3. This is square bracketed x is called greatest integer function, and so in order to test the continuity of the function we have to verify the three properties. The first one is we have to show that the function is defined at x is equal to 3.3, and that we have verified here. The limiting value that we are getting separately, the left hand limit is equal to 3, the right hand limit is also 3. Limiting value of the function is coming here 3. Now the functional value is 3 and the limiting value is 3. Therefore the limiting value of the function equals to the functional value. Hence the function is continuous at x is equal to 3.3. With this, the topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.